Okay, super fast. It's some date. It's November the 29th. For 1 month, I'm gonna do intuitive eating. I don't know if I'm talking too low, I probably am. What is intuitive eating? Intuitive eating is where you pay attention to hunger cues, fullness cues, and satisfaction cues. It's not a diet, it's not a meal plan. This is all I know about intuitive eating. I just looked it up like 10 minutes ago. It's for people that struggle with eating disorders. I'm sure it's for others too. It's for me, for you. Follow me on this journey. I weigh 227.8, so I'm pretty much back to square one. I'm gonna do this for a whole month. I'm going to weigh myself on Sundays. And I will post videos of just some foods that I've been eating, videos of lessons I've learned about intuitive eating, because I'm learning this as I'm going on. I don't really know a whole lot about it. And I'm gonna try to fix my relationship with food. If anybody knows anything about me, I definitely strive for self-growth in everything that I do. I'm sober, which isn't a whole lot of fun all the time, especially around the holidays. I'm in counseling. Me and my husband are doing the best we can to be the best partners, and sometimes that seems impossible. And every day, especially, I work really hard at being a better mother today than I was the day before. So I can also use that desire to be better with myself. I mean, come on, I need to lose some weight. I'm 43, so 1 month intuitive eating. Let's see if I can change my relationship with food. And then you're gonna watch a video of just some soup I made today and some pictures of what I had for breakfast. Day one didn't go so well.